Listen, good morning and welcome to the mix. Now we have Dwayne, and Dwayne is playing the tape with Maxine as Maxine goes into everything Gracie. You know, she explains a lot on this. So you need to go ahead and jump on and watch that video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe as always. Your thoughts, your opinions. And thank you so much for making it the mix. Have a wonderful Friday morning. Blessed and successful. Mwah.
No Cash App and admin, only stars is fine. Remember, this is HIPAA.
Listen to me.
I know
now.
there's HIPAA law.
People, I'm not stupid. I am not money
Go
hungry.
and tell that to Gracie. Gracie don't Gracie.
I am not
Gracie
money
disgrace.
hungry.
Big time.
Thank you,
cuz.
cuz. I am not money hungry.
Listen to Maxime song.
I am not out here to milk anybody's pocket. I am not out here looking for fame and fortune or whatever. I am not. I just want something to occupy my time for the last few days that I have left on earth. That's all I want. I realize that you people are so stupid, and I don't know if you don't have any common sense or anything. First, let me touch upon the little part here. There's a reason why we work and put money down for rainy day. Some of us call it pension, some of it call it retirement, some of it call it whatever we want to call it. We save our money because we're looking out for this rainy day. We can sit down, like myself, who have not worked from 2013. So it hurt me deeply when I hear people say, me I live off a pension, me I live off of the government. No, I'm not living off of no government. Because people, especially who lives in foreign country, when you work and put your money away, it's for rainy day. It's for rainy day. This is what I call the rainy day. I already live my life, people. I already do everything that I want to do. So this is my rainy day that I'm collecting my money. It's my money. I worked for this money.
It's about to go down very
so
soon.
I'm sitting down and I'm enjoying it. I don't need a job, people. I don't need clothes and boots. I don't need food. I don't need nothing. Nothing at all.
From there, so.
When I look at it, all that I did was a waste. Because right now I have more clothes than I can wear. I have more shoes than I can wear. I wonder if you hear me good. I have more things than I can even talk about. You understand? So yes, I am sitting down now. I don't need to go find no job. So no, don't send me go find no job. Or no, don't send me to go do nothing. Some of the time is sorry, me then go do some big old plastic surgery and then something because at least one of they see upon my body right now. Or might be the waist way just the same way like how they say the whole of my body the waist way. You understand?
Maxine, we like you, girl. We know you're fragile.
I don't need any money. And for all of you brilliant scholars out there who take on a live on a chat this or a chat that, please ask me before you go to go chat, because I don't look shame. I know for a fact when Gracie give me the page, Lorraine strike me in September. All of the two videos that she strike me and was August and September. I got it in September. I got the page from Gracie in October. I never asked Gracie for the page.
This is the right one. That one I would need.
So disregard the videos that she played today, saying I run her down and tell her this. I'm so nauseous right now.
Was she here?
Run her and tell her this and tell her that.
All right.
It's a lie.
All right.
Never asked Gracie for her page. Never know Gracie was going to give me a page. Me and Grace, you know, when they plan no long-term telephoning and stuff like that. Never. We weren't on no telephoning. So when she plays all that foolishness, guys, don't even listen to her. She's as drunk as a skunk.
Drunk. You junkie?
And young girl, I would advise you, go take care of yourself and don't worry about me and my family.
What you not saying?
I already live my life, Gracie. If I die today, I just want to know I make peace with everybody that I need to make peace with. Whoever I didn't make peace with and I feel them sin, they go send me to hell, fine or okay. But right now, I am sort of tired of the foolishness and it need to stop. When I got this page, and Legendary, wherever you are, you in trouble there, you can't stop cuss me now. Stop cuss now. Yes, to the right. Please, just let it go. Yes, you tell me not take it. Yes, you tell me you are the young go to somebody.
Fix my caption a little bit more.
That was against this from day one. Trouble there, I hope you're happy. I hope you can live in peace. I hope you can stop telling me on my head big and tough. I hope you can stop describe me in a derogatory way. I hope you can let me be right now. Okay, ma'am? Okay. I am done with you. I said my piece. I said what I have to say, and I'm done. Okay? Gracie, give me the page in October. When Gracie give me the page have must be $35 on it. Or $20-something on it. Do not quote me on that. I don't know nothing about Facebook. I don't know nothing about YouTube.
You can come out.
When Gracie give me the page, it was fully monetized. I never asked her for the page, and she called me and she gave me the page. I wanted to come out and break the news. Well, she come out and she tell the world that she gave me the page. I was happy about it. Now, if me when they run down money, from day one, would I put in all of my information and stuff like that? I did not. Until today, all of my information is not in there. Gracie collect every money what she collect. When she do collect, she switch and she switch. All sort of crap Gracie they do. Gracie know how to teeth. Gracie know how to do and they do. Me no care. I never care about it. Me know Gracie they collect all of my super chat money because me supposed to make practically almost $1,000 on super chat. I don't pick up $1. I did not pick up $1.
That's it, much better.
I'm no super chat.
Much better.
Understand? Number two, the very first money that we're supposed to get, which would be, I think it would be November, because it was early enough in October that I got it. So the first paycheck would come in November around the 21st then time then. But no information was gone into it yet, so Gracie got it. Gracie got it. Gracie got November, she got December. I got January, February. You know, the righteous so when me ball out say me get the money too money.
True,
I know that the money that I got was just for commercials. Ads and commercial and that. So Ashanti, me no want your advice. I never want any advice from you. I don't care what you said. I don't want you to defend me.
I'm having a big
And as I said, you're a child molester. I'm not moving it. So if you feel offended that I said it, do your next best and do what you want to do, because I want you to do what you have to do to protect your name, dirty, nasty child offender, abuser.
I what?
You name it.
I what?
Molester. Me
I
say.
what?
And if me no get it on for your name, that every state you go in,
I what?
you have to register. Maxine now go live to see.
I what?
Me they tell you say they go happen. Me no care what you say, and me no care what your followers and the whole world say or do. I don't give a rat's ass. So don't think I'm dumb. I never care about the money. I still don't care about the money. I'm not hungry like the whole of uno. Me not hungry like the whole of uno. Me know Gracie that thief the money. Me don't know that for a long time. Me don't know. Gracie have a problem. She's a drunk. So therefore, now I realize that when I talk to Gracie, I have to wait till me know that she not drunk to talk to her because she's a liar. When Gracie to get the first paycheck, I said, Gracie, I don't want it. Take it. I don't know how much did it. But to how she went there gone, it wasn't enough to buy the tablet, the laptop. It was not enough to buy the laptop. You understand? It was not enough. I'm not hungry. I said, Gracie, take $250 because at the time, when my grandson looked at it, there was supposed to be like 500 and change that was there.